My name is Irish Blanes, and I am 26 years old. I'm a Bar 3 instructor and a national athlete of the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines.
My name is Siege Tantenko. I'm 24 years old and I'm a writer and reporter from Manila.
Because of my strict schedule, I don't get to travel as much as I would love to.
The dream for me is to travel once every quarter, but I can't really do it because it can be quite expensive.
Costa Pacifica offers something more beyond the usual escape. For us, the best way to please our guests is to exceed their expectations. We strive to be the landmark of Filipino hospitality by providing service that comes from the heart.
Surf House is not your typical bed and breakfast place. It's like a gem you will find in the main street of Sabang Baler.
Easy Adventure provides guests with a glamping type of environment. We allow you to enjoy nature without the hassle of preparation.
Here at COT, we want our guests to feel like they are at the center of the earth, where the only thing that matters is their relaxation at the present moment.
And I'm 25 years old. I've been living in Baler for about a year now. The first time I stood on a surfboard was the day I dedicated myself to it. It's the adrenaline I get when I paddle, the long rides, even the way a wave breaks and I know I'm in the right spot to catch the perfect one. In the city, there's hustle and bustle every day, but when you get here, you're just focused on yourself and you just enjoy nature. So come visit Baler and see for yourself. Who knows, you might fall in love with this place just like I did.
Even after just a few days here, it isn't hard to see why people like Jovan, our surf instructor, leave their lives in the city to stay in Baler. Every town that you go to in the Philippines, there's a different vibe. Here, the people are so warm and the atmosphere is really laid back.
I like to get to know my own country better. I want to get to know the little nooks and crannies, and this trip to Baler is definitely a great way to start.
I think people should travel more locally because sayang, tayo mga taga dito and we don't get to explore the country as often as we should.